What's going on, guys? I wanted to tell you about one of my favorite features here on the ASUS ROG Z890 Maximus Hero motherboard. Now we have our graphics card installed here and it is locked in. So if I pull up, don't do this at home, but I'm pulling up my entire motherboard here. If I pull this way, it's not going anywhere. Of course, that's what you want. Now, typically on boards like this, we see a button on the board that allows us to release the graphics card. We don't have one here. All you have to do is pull the card this way. So if I pull it this way, it just comes out. How easy is that? This system, I don't know how they do it. It's voodoo magic, but it's just awesome that, again, if I pull straight up, we're pulling up the board, but if I pull this way, it just comes out and releases. Such a cool feature, and again, it makes it so easy to remove your graphics card.